Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x root of 6 plus x root of 9 is equal to x root of 4. To find the values of x, which is x is a real number. In the first step, we divide both sides of this equation by x root of 4. So it will be this x root of 6 plus x root of 9 over x root of 4 is equal to x root of 4 divided by x root of 4 is 1. And it will be in here this divided by this. We can write this as x root of 6 over 4 and plus this divided by this, and we can write this as x root of 9 over 4 is equal to 1. And the next step, this we can divide it by 2 is 3 and this divided by 2 is 2, so we can write this as x root of 3 over 2, and in here we can write this as 3 to the power of 2 and 4 as 2 to the power of 2. Right in here 9 over 4, we can write this as 3 to the power of 2 over 2 to the power of 2, and also this is equal to 3 over 2 to the power of 2. So we can write this as x root of 3 over 2 to the power of 2 and is equal to 1, and in the next step it will be x root of 3 over 2 plus x root of 3 over 2 to the power of 2. We can write this power of 2 outside of this x root, so it will be x root of 3 over 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 1. And in next step, in here we have x root of 3 over 2 and x root of 3 over 2, so we let x root of 3 over 2 is equal to u. So we substitute this in this equation, so it will be u plus u square is equal to 1. And the next step, we take this one on this side, so it will be u square plus u minus 1 is equal to 0. And in here we have a quadratic equation. To find the values of u, we use quadratic formula, which is u is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, and in here a is equal to the square root of coefficient of u square is 1 and b is coefficient of u is 1 and c is constant and c is negative 1. So u is equal to negative b is negative 1 plus or minus a square root of b square, 1 square is 1 minus 4 times a is 1, 4 times 1 times negative 1. So this negative and this negative is it will be positive, and 4 times 1 is 4 over 2 times a is 2, and from here u is equal to negative 1 plus or minus a square root of 5 over 2. So in here we have two values for u, u is equal to -1 plus square root of 5 over 2, and u is equal to -1 minus square root of 5 over 2. And from here, let x root of 3 over 2 is u. So x root of 3 over 2 is equal to u, and in here u is -1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And from here, we have u is equal to -1 minus square root of 5 over 2, and u is x root of 3 over 2 is equal to this, -1 minus square root of 5 over 2. And in here, 3 over 2 is positive, and x root of positive number is also positive. But in here, this is a negative number, so this cannot be equal to this, so we reject this value for u, and we continue by this. In next step, we can write this x root of 3 over 2 like 3 over 2 to the power of x 1 over x, and is equal to -1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And in the next step, we apply, in here we have 3 over 2. So to find the value of x, we can apply log of base 3 over 2 to the both sides of this equation. So it will be log of base 3 over 2 of this. 3 over 2 to the power of 1 over x is equal to log of -1 plus square root of 5 over 2 to the base 3 over 2. So we apply log of 3 over 2, log of base 3 over 2 to the both sides of this equation. And in here, as you know, if we have log of a to the power of m to the base b, we can write this as m times log of a to the base b. And in here, it will be 1 over x times log of 3 over 2 to the base 3 over 2, and it's equal to log of -1 plus square root of 5 over 2 to the base 3 over 2. And in here, log of 3 over 2 to the base 3 over 2 is 1, so 1 over x is equal to log of -1 plus square root of 5 over 2 to the base 3 over 2. And from here, we can change numerator, exchange numerator and denominator together, and in here also we can write this as log of this over 1, okay? And we can exchange numerator and denominator together, so it will be in here x is equal to 1 over log of -1 plus square root of 5 over 2 to the base 3 over 2. And from log rules, which is if we have 1 over log of a to the base b, we can write this as log of b to the base a. So in here, b is the base, but in here a is the base, okay? So we can write this as, in here, x is equal to log of, in here, this is going to the base, so it will be -1 plus square root of 5 over 2 and 3 over 2. So our answer for x is log of 3 over 2 to the base -1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.